This is my 2012 Chrysler Town and Country minivan, and I'm going to live in it. Now, a minivan may seem small, but I got this for free, so I'm going to use it. This used to be my mom's van, but she recently upgraded, so this is replacing Old Red here. It was a good truck, but honestly, not really. But now I have this space, and it may not seem like a lot, but I don't really know what to do with all of it. I'm planning on going on a few week-long trips, and then next year taking it on a big month-long trip, but nothing close to full-time. To build this, I'll need somewhere to sleep, hang out, and eat. So I drew up this very simple layout on Google Drawings, where it had a couch in the back, a desk in the front, and a bed on the side with a few swivel seats up front, and a kitchen underneath the couch. I tried doing some math to figure out all the wood I needed, and with only $80 spent, I had all the materials to build this. And you might be thinking, people spend thousands of dollars on materials for van builds. How do you spend $80 on all this stuff? Well, you get a van for free, and then you scavenge stuff from your house. All you need to buy is wood. Now the wood. I needed to put that into use by building a couch and a bed. The plan was simple. The couch and bed would be almost the exact same thing. I measured the seats that came with the van. They measured to be 15 inches high. So, naturally, the bed and the couch would be 15 inches high. The couch would be 51 inches by 2 feet, and the couch would also be 50 inches by 2 feet. I had everything measured out and perfect. How could anything go wrong? So I started measuring all the wood. And marking all the wood. And chalk lining all the wood. And cutting all the wood. In a sad attempt to rid the garage floor of sawdust, I tried using the air compressor, but that just made everything spread out and worse. Then I piled up all the wood that I needed for my first build, the couch. The couch would be situated in the back of the van, which was 51 inches long. I laid out all the wood how I wanted it. I moved it again because I was too worried about it being over 2 feet wide, which didn't matter. As you can see, I lined the 2x4 up on the outside, which made it 2 inches too long. But I would have another 2x4 on the other side, which would give me a grand total of 54 inches long, which is a whole 4 inches longer than the actual van. Good planning ahead on my part. Then I went and screwed everything in. may be bad at planning, but I screwed it all together and it seems stable enough. I then made the exact same thing. For some more support, I added 2 2x4s to go across, just so the plywood wouldn't cave in the middle of the night. After that, I put legs on the bottom of the rectangle and probably made about 20 trips to the battery charger for the drill, only to find out it didn't sit level. So I played around with it, and I mostly made it better. I also shaved off the end so it was 48 inches long and kind of butchered it. But I fixed it using a car jack. Then I built the bed, which was the exact same process you just saw, just not as many mistakes. So it was a start. My van was kind of furnished. Time to take a seat and enjoy what I worked so hard for. I mean, building a van isn't so hard. YouTube makes it seem impossible and expensive, but I'm halfway done in 3 days, and I spent under $100. Look at this. Isn't it great? Well, I guess in the next video we're making these shorter. Thanks for watching.